Data architects design data management systems from the ground up. Architects create a plan to integrate, concentrate, safeguard, and preserve a company's prospective data sources, internal and external, after examining them. Employees may now get important information at the right time and in the right place. A data architect may be required to do the following tasks. Collaborate with IT and management to develop a data strategy that meets industry needs. Make a list of the data you'll need to put the architecture in place. Investigate novel data gathering possibilities. Current data management technologies should be identified and evaluated. Create a fluid, end-to-end picture for how data will flow within a company. Create database structured data models. Database architectures and applications should be designed, documented, built, and deployed. For example, large relational databases. Integrate technological features, for example, scalability, security, performance, data recovery, reliability, etc. Take steps to ensure that data is accurate and accessible. Monitor, refine, and report on the performance of data management systems on a regular basis. Combine existing warehouse structures with modern systems. Develop and enforce database development guidelines. Keep track of all data architecture artifacts and procedures in a corporate repository. The following are some common steps to become a data architect. 1. Study computer science, computer engineering, or a closely related discipline. A bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering, or a similar subject is required to work as a data architect. Data management, programming, big data advances, systems analysis, and technology design should all be covered in class. A master's degree is frequently required for senior roles. Experience may be the most important component of your job application. Job seekers with experience in application architecture, network administration, and performance management are likely to be sought by top companies. 2. Improve and expand your technological and business skills, from data mining to problem-solving analysis. Data architects' technical skills. Software for application servers, for example, Oracle. Software for database management, for example, Microsoft SQL Server. Software for the user interface and inquiry, for example, IBM DB2. Integration software for business applications, for example, XML. Software for creating a development environment. Software for backup and archiving. ERP implementation and agile approaches. Text analysis, NLP, and predictive modeling. Tools for data modeling, for example, ERWin, Enterprise Architect and Visio. Tools for data mining, UML and ETL. Unix, Linux, Solaris, and MS Windows Hadoop and NoSQL databases Python, C++, Java, Perl Unix, Linux, Solaris, and MS Windows. Computer-assisted learning. Visualization of data. This list is, as usual, subject to technological changes. Data architects need business skills. Approaching high-level data difficulties with a clear eye on what's important, using the proper approach/methods to make the most of time and human resources. Effective communication, listening carefully to management, data analysts, and other relevant personnel in order to develop the optimal data design, communicating complicated topics to non-technical colleagues. Expert management, managing and counseling a team of data modelers, data engineers, database administrators, and junior architects effectively. Understanding how your chosen industry operates, as well as how data is acquired, processed, and used, remaining flexible in the face of big data advancements. 3. Consider obtaining extra credentials and continuing your education. Companies like IBM, Salesforce, and Hortonworks provide a variety of possibilities to broaden your knowledge and skills as a data architect. Consult your mentors and review recent job descriptions if you're unsure about which acronyms are worth your time and money. Professional in Data Management Certification, Cdmp. The Cdmp is a common certification for data architect resumes, developed by the Data Management Association International, DAMA. It's a good certificate for general database experts because it doesn't focus on a specific platform or provider. Candidates who demonstrate evidence of education, experience, and passing results on the Cdmp's professional knowledge exam are awarded the Cdmp at 4 levels: Associate, Practitioner, Master, and Fellow. Recertification requires proof of continued education and professional activity. Big Data IBM Certified Data Architect. Candidates for this IBM professional certification program must have a variety of necessary abilities, ranging from cluster management and data replication to data lineage and lab security. Big Insights, Big SQL, Hadoop, and Cloud are all covered in the Certified Data Architect exam. Certified Data Architecture and Management Designer with Salesforce. The Data Architecture and Management Designer Certification exam, designed for Salesforce platform users, assesses knowledge of high data volume hazards and mitigation techniques, LDD considerations, best practices in an LDD context, design trade-offs, and other skills. The Big Data Architect Master's Program at SimpleLearn. SimpleLearn's Master's Certification Program is designed to help you improve your knowledge and skills in areas such as data model generation, database interfaces, Spark SQL, Scala, RDD, replication, scalability, and Hadoop clusters. By participating in projects and lab experiences, candidates will learn from instructors and self-guided approaches. Certification Program for TOGAF 9. There are 2 paths to the TOGAF Professional Certification: Foundation and Certification. The Foundation section of this certificate verifies that applicants have demonstrated understanding of TOGAF 9 words and ideas, as well as enterprise architecture and TOGAF fundamental principles. Job prospects for data architects. Data architects have a high level of job satisfaction, which is likely related to the fact that the position offers them with new and essential problems on a daily basis. As technology advances, the role of data architect will undoubtedly change, and the greatest data architects will embrace this transition by remaining current with new systems and languages. Massive volumes of data are generated every minute, and data architects are needed to address problems on a daily basis as well as look forward and predict what challenges a firm may encounter in the next 3 years. Data architects are becoming more widely recognized as one of the most critical parts in the data chain. More data doesn't make us smarter if we don't have the ability to ingest it, as one IBM Big Data architect put it. Businesses of all sizes have realized that data architects are required to bring order to the chaos and enable data access for data scientists and analysts to mine for business solutions.